Chrome 139 marks a major turning point in the deprecation of Manifest V2 extensions. Starting with this version, Chrome will no longer support the enterprise policy that previously allowed organizations to continue using Manifest V2. This means even enterprise users can no longer rely on legacy extensions, as V2 support is fully removed. Because of this change, Manifest V2 extensions will stop working for all users who upgrade to Chrome 139 and beyond. This isn't a gradual phase-out anymore, it's a complete removal of support. For years, developers and extension creators have been preparing by migrating to Manifest V3, which offers stronger privacy protections, better performance, and more declarative APIs. Google has also introduced improvements to make migration smoother, including enhancements to service worker lifetime and the addition of a new user scripts API for extensions. There are still some known differences between V2 and V3. Certain APIs behave differently or are more restrictive, and not all V2 features have a direct equivalent in V3. But with Manifest V2 now officially phased out, developers need to complete the migration to ensure their extensions continue working. In short, Chrome 139 officially ends support for Manifest V2, even for enterprises, making the transition to Manifest V3 mandatory. This change brings better security, modern APIs, and a more privacy-focused extension platform for all users. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech update videos.